2, 1, go!
44 qualifications complete. We're on number 45 now, and Shockwave and Swarm both have full hoppers, and they return back to their respective sides of the field. Amazing shots going in by the Blue Alliance human players, just sinking nothing but net. And Swarm, that's definitely not Shockwave, full of fuel and shooting on the blue side of the field. Meanwhile, where Shockwave is over on the red side of the field, drivers step forward to take control, and the Red Alliance will lose the possession of the hub here in just a second. So Shockwave returns back to their side of the field to get a last couple of shots up and in, but they get defended before they can. Sonic Squirrels tries to get a couple of fuel up and in, but it just doesn't quite go in before the end of the the end of the possession. Swarm over by the blue side of the field, filling up their hopper, and a good volley of fuel coming off of the field, courtesy of 2930 Sonic Squirrels. And the Blue Alliance, couple of shots up and in from Swarm. Beta Blues looking like they are trying to figure out what they want to do next, sliding through the trench and gathering some fuel for their alliance before they bring it back towards their side of the field. Bite Size, at this point, pretty well known for playing defense this year, trying to beat up 4488 Shockwave. And Shockwave, maybe a little unsure of what's going on, and they shoot a whole volley of shots off into the middle of the field. 957 Swarm over on the blue side of the field, now that they have possession of the hub, gathers some more fuel, shoots it into the hub, and returns back towards their driver station, where they grab a bunch more fuel and send it into the Blue Alliance hub. 5 seconds left before we switch over to the Red Alliance. Blue Alliance currently up on the Red Alliance. The Red Alliance has something to say about that. Shockwave specifically, seeming like they would like to turn that score around. 2930 sends a couple of shots up and in, and now the Red Alliance is up on the Blue Alliance. 40 seconds left. In just 10 seconds, we'll be in the end game, which means that both alliances will be able to score at the same time. 154 to 121, 30 points separating these two alliances as we enter the end game. The end game, of course, sounded by that buzzer. And Beta Blues, climber extending. We're going to see, hopefully, that climb getting up off of the ground at the end of the match here. And the Red Alliance trying to pull ahead. 20 points, though. Blue Alliance slowly catching up. And will the Beta Blues be able to get up off of the ground at the end of the match here? They pull, and yes, they do! Their bumpers, oh, and they just fall at the end of the match. The last couple of shots going up and in from Swarm. Tragic end of. Let's see them up on the big screen. There's the Red Alliance. The final score of 176 to 160 in favor of that Red Alliance. 4 ranking points for the Red Alliance. Shockwave holding themselves rank number 6. 1 ranking point still being taken home by that Blue Alliance.